If OneNote is stuck on the loading screen and just won't open, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get it working again fast. This usually happens when a background process gets stuck, or when the app cache becomes corrupted, which blocks OneNote from launching properly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to force close OneNote, test it in safe mode, and clear the cache that may be causing the issue. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, let's close anything that may be freezing OneNote in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, look through the list for anything related to OneNote or Microsoft Office. If you see OneNote running or another Office process that looks stuck, right-click it and choose End Task. Do the same for any other Office-related entries that seem connected. This step is important because a hanging background process can prevent OneNote from loading normally, even if the app window looks closed. After that, we'll test OneNote in safe mode. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type OneNote Safe Mode, then press Enter. If OneNote opens in safe mode, that's a strong sign that something in the normal startup process is causing the problem, such as an add-in, a plugin, or a damaged cache file. Safe mode helps you confirm that the app itself can still start without the extra components that might be blocking it. If OneNote opens in safe mode, close the application again before moving to the next step. Now we're going to clear the local cache, which is one of the most effective fixes for loading problems. Press the Windows key and R again, then type %localapi datacent plus Microsoft / OneNote and press Enter. This will take you directly to OneNote's local data folder. Inside, open the folder that matches your version, such as 16.0. Once you're in the correct version folder, look for the cache folder and delete the contents inside it. Make sure you only remove the cache contents, not the entire program files, so OneNote can rebuild fresh cache data the next time it starts. After clearing the cache, reopen OneNote normally and give it a minute to rebuild everything. In many cases, this is enough to fix the loading screen issue and get the app working again. If OneNote still takes a while to open the first time, that can be normal because it is recreating the cache in the background. Once it finishes, your notebooks should load as expected. If the problem is gone, great, you're done. If not, this still gives you a very strong starting point because you've already ruled out a frozen process, tested safe mode, and cleared the most common corrupted files. Those are the main fixes that solve loading issues for many OneNote users. If this video helped you get OneNote loading again, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows and Microsoft Office troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.